Greetings, my beautiful family. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. Today I'm bringing you a salad, something refreshing and healthy, especially after my long vacation. I've been craving this and I thought to share the recipe with you. So let's jump right in. For our salmon salad recipe, you're going to need about a tablespoon of minced red onion, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, same amount of crushed black pepper and salt to taste. And then you also need 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which you can substitute with the same amount of any acid you like to cook with. Citrus will be most preferable. I've also drizzled in some honey and some cooking olive oil. Stir together and you have the perfect marinade. For your 4 pieces of filleted skinless salmon steaks. Although the honey is omittable, I feel it brings a balance of sweetness much needed in this marinade. And the amount of honey used was just enough to prevent it from becoming overpowered with sweetness. Next step is to broil the salmon in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. It doesn't take too long to cook mackerel, and one thing you don't want to do is overcook this type of fish. So before we do that, we grease the pan. Then place the salmon pieces onto the baking pan, making sure to leave enough space between each steak. What you don't want is to place them close to each other, because then when they start cooking, they will also release their juices and form a soup around them, and that isn't what we're going for. And while the salmon cooks in the oven, we will prepare our salad dressing. So I chop up 2 tablespoons of the red onion. Then I pour the onion into the same bowl as the fish marinade. Add some honey, Dijon mustard, and some aged balsamic vinegar. And here is the balsamic vinegar, which you can find at any grocery store. In the absence of the balsamic vinegar though, you can use any vinegar you like to cook with. And I've also drizzled in some oil. Now I'm adding my salt and crushed black pepper to taste. Stir together to mix it. And that is all she wrote for our salad dressing. Now let's prep our vegetables. You need a cucumber for the salad. Chop it however you like. You will also need some cherry or grape tomatoes, and I just halved them. Now we'll need some lettuce, and I'm using a tender lettuce known as Boston lettuce, but it also offers crunch, so I love that. And chop your lettuce however you prefer, and add 1 avocado also chopped. And that's all she wrote for the vegetables. We are ready to dress the salad. Before I do so, I chop up just a small amount of flat leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley, for that fresh herbaceous essence. Add to the salad dressing and dress the salad with it. So easy, that quick, we are done. The fish, our salmon, should be also emergent from the oven at this time. It has been 12 minutes. I timed the oven for 12 minutes, and that's perfect amount of time it took to cook the salmon to perfection, leaving them still juicy, very tender, and not overcooked. Now, if you're new to Nanaba's Kitchen, I would like to warmly welcome you to our family. I thank you for clicking. If you're not subscribed, consider doing so before you leave. Because here in Nanaba's Kitchen, I bring you nothing but my very best and a lot of love. I thrive on bringing you recipes that are full of soul and you can easily replicate. So please join the family. Now we have placed the salmon pieces onto the salad, drizzling on the rest of the salad dressing onto the salmon pieces, as well as the rest on the salad itself. And voila! You have a whole meal on its own, friends. Here it is. Just soak it all in. The colors, the textures, the flavors, layers upon layers. And how stunning is this salad, friends? That salmon is so moist. Take a look. That salmon is so juicy, friends, and it tastes so good. The perfect balance of sweetness and savoriness, and all those layers of very few ingredients, though, but we were able to achieve great flavors with those few ingredients. And that bite, as you know, sent me straight to my happy place. Another great idea that occurred to me with this recipe is that it's a great addition to our meal prepping menu, friends. So prepare your salad dressing ahead of time and separately from the vegetables as well as the fish, and it'll come together well as a whole meal, such as lunch or even dinner, when you're ready to eat. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're inspired to try these ideas. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.
Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time. And here in Anava's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.